Let's talk about speed. When you visit a website, you expect it to load quickly, right? But have you ever wondered how JavaScript, the language of the web, makes your code run so fast? Today, we're going to uncover the secret behind the V8 engine, the brain behind Google Chrome's JavaScript performance. Here's a shocking fact: the V8 engine is used by over 90% of websites. But what makes it so special? Let's dismiss a common belief: it's not just about the code you write. The engine plays a huge role in making your JavaScript fast. So, what makes the V8 engine tick? The V8 engine is an open-source JavaScript engine developed by Google. It's the heart of Google Chrome, responsible for executing JavaScript code. Think of it like a car engine: it takes in fuel, processes it, and produces power. In this case, the fuel is your JavaScript code, and the power is the fast execution. But how does it work? Let's dive deeper. The V8 engine uses a combination of techniques like just-in-time compilation, caching, and parallel processing to make your code run faster. One of the key techniques used by the V8 engine is just-in-time compilation. When you write JavaScript code, it's not executed directly. Instead, the V8 engine compiles it into machine code on the fly. This process is called just-in-time compilation. Imagine you're cooking a meal. You have a recipe, but you don't execute it directly. Instead, you follow the steps, and the result is your delicious meal. Similarly, the V8 engine takes your JavaScript code, compiles it into machine code, and executes it. Now, let's compare interpreters and compilers. An interpreter executes code line by line, while a compiler compiles the entire code at once. The V8 engine uses a combination of both techniques to achieve optimal performance. Think of it like a translator. An interpreter translates your words into the listener's language in real time, while a compiler translates the entire text at once, producing a more accurate and efficient result. Caching and optimization are crucial components of the V8 engine. By caching frequently executed code, the engine reduces the number of compilations and executions, resulting in a significant performance improvement. Imagine you have a favorite coffee shop. You visit it every day, and they remember your order. You don't need to tell them again, they already know what you want. Similarly, the V8 engine caches frequently executed code, reducing the overhead of compilation and execution. Let's see an example of how the V8 engine optimizes JavaScript code. Suppose we have a simple function that returns a string. The V8 engine will compile this function into machine code, cache it, and execute it. But what happens when we call this function multiple times? The engine will reuse the cached machine code, resulting in faster execution. In conclusion, the V8 engine is the secret behind fast JavaScript execution. By using techniques like just-in-time compilation, caching, and optimization, the engine makes your code run